Today we're using the Forged Polishing Mini Kit on this wheel from our friends over at Fittipaldi Forged. Here's how I do it in my shop. I'm going to start out with the pink buff and the triple E brown bar. That's going to be my primary cut. Then I'm going to go to the yellow buff and the green bar. That's going to be my secondary or my mid stage. After that, we're going to wipe it down with a dissolver, and I'm going to apply the forged red hand polish, and then we're going to buff that off at a low RPM. I'm going to be running both the triple E cut and my mid stage at 3,500 RPM. Once I go to the final stage, I'm going to slow it down to about 1,400 RPM for my UBM and my purple bar. So we've got our wheel polished with our cut and our mid stage. Now we're going to use the dissolver and get the black compound residue out of these letters. Here's how we do it. We're going to grab a towel off this convenient roll of microfiber towels. I like to use the dissolver by spraying it on the towel. Wipe it in. Flip my towel over. Some harder areas, you can spray it right in. Light pressure. Your letters are clean, and now they're ready for the final color pass. Now that you've gone through the entire process of the Forged Polishing Mini Kit, it's time to seal that wheel. Take your forged red, wipe on a nice coating of it, let it haze over, 30-45 seconds, take your microfiber towel, wipe it off nice and gentle. Your wheel is sealed and protected. That's the end of your mini kit.